if there is a specific beneficiary for a stock asset upon the death of the primary owner, does the asset basis revert to zero? So this question has to do with the tax code. Currently, it's very favorable. By that I mean, when you inherit an asset, it gets an adjustment in tax basis. So let's say we're talking about a stock. And let's say when you bought the stock, it was worth $10. And on your death, the stock is worth $1 million. Good choice in your investment, by the way. What happens then? You've set the stock up to, it says, a beneficiary. So perhaps on this investment account, you said, I want it to pay on death to this beneficiary. So you bought the stock, it was worth $10. You put a beneficiary or pay on death designation on it. You die. At your death, it's worth $1 million. The basis of that stock is adjusted from $10 to $1 million. So your beneficiary, let's say they want to sell the stock. They want to hold it. They just want their $1 million. They can then sell it and they pay zero in capital gains tax. So inheriting assets, especially with low basis, is very advantageous. No, the stock basis doesn't go down to zero. It goes up to the fair market value, which is very favorable to whomever receives the stock. That is one reason that we, clients sometimes come to us because they are concerned about losing all their assets to long-term care costs and Medicaid. And you've probably heard people say this, I just want to give my house away or give this away right now. We talk with them about the fact that, that might be a bad idea, but even if it's a good idea, you've lost the ability for the recipient of that property to get an adjustment in basis if you give it away during your lifetime, because that adjustment in basis only occurs upon your death. So, there's a lot to talk about when clients are thinking about giving away assets for Medicaid, but adjustment in basis is one of the things we always will discuss with them.